All-party meeting ahead of Parliament's winter session. The meeting is likely to be attended by Prime Minister Modi. It may witness an assertive opposition raising key issues ahead of winter session, scheduled to commence tomorrow. The meeting is scheduled to start in just about a while from now. The opposition is likely to flag up issues like laws on MSP, rising inflation, Pegasus, fuel price rise, Tripura political violence, amongst others. BJP is also planning to convene an executive meeting at 3. The NDA floor leaders are expected to meet about 4 p.m, while the government is likely to seek opposition support to pass bills for repealing farm laws. The bills to regulate cryptocurrency is already reportedly in the offing. A joint committee of Parliament is likely to submit its report in the first week of winter session that will end on 23rd of December on Personal Data Protection Bill 2019. We'll get you all the updates in terms of the big all-party meeting. It's already 12 by the watch. The meeting should have commenced by now. Kamaljeet will be able to get us those updates. It's a very important meeting right ahead of the winter session of the Parliament. Kamaljeet, has the meeting begun? And in case it has, what are the updates coming in?
Well, it's been over an hour since the meeting began, and yes, the House should be in order because we've seen the previous Parliament session being a total washout. But despite the government agreeing to the farmers' demand and taking a repeal on day one itself, there's been a whip which has been issued, especially to all BJP MPs, that they should be present in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So on day one itself, the BJP plans to take the bills back. But what is important is what the opposition does, and it does not seem that they're going to buy back what the government has to say, because we know that they're going to put pressure, especially on the government regarding the MSP, regarding the farmers' cases. Even though the government has spelled out, it's up to the governments and the state governments to decide on that. There will be obviously acrimonious exchange, especially between opposition as well as the members, especially in the government. But what is important is what really happens, and these are important bills. Besides the repeal of the farm bills, there's the bills on cryptocurrency, which is expected. Also, what is slated is the ones on personal data. There are important ordinances, whether it's regarding the jurisdiction of BSF, extension of CBI and ED chiefs, which has been extended up to 5 years. So these are the ones which will be brought on the table of the House. But yes, the opposition also sees this as an opportunity. Remember, there are UP Assembly as well as Punjab Assembly polls amongst the important Assembly polls going to happen. And they also spell an opportunity to hit out at the government and put them on the mat. So we do expect a fiery session of Parliament. But also...
Right there, Kamaljeet, I'm coming back to you. Please stay on. Coming back to you in just about a bit. But the opposition is going to be taking on the centre this time around in a big way. The issues on which the opposition is going to be cornering the centre on the 3 farm laws, most importantly, will be pressing the Modi government for a separate law on MSP or minimum support pricing. The opposition will also be going ahead and raising the issue of attacks on civilians that we're seeing in Jammu and Kashmir. We'll get you that bit as well in just about a bit. So this is on the agenda of the opposition. You'll have to wait and watch for all of this to take place. They will be targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government over inflation, the rise in inflation. Tomatoes, for example, you are seeing a rise in prices. They will be demanding Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni's resignation as well. He's MOS home. Question the government over the Lakhimpur violence that took place too. And this is all on the opposition's agenda for now.